Life arises from bees which bring pollen from one flower to the other.
Theo Jansen wants to make life, not by the use of pollen or seeds, but by making new creatures. In the computer, it's the numbers which reproduce themselves. In real life, it's biological cells which do the same. So in fact, the numbers are equivalent to the cells. Apart from the numbers in the computer, Theo Jansen recently found another alternative for the biological cell, the electricity tube. With this, you can build structures very quickly. You can build arms and legs, and subject to selection. Reproduction. Selection.
Sometimes the selection and reproduction takes a side road via numbers in the computer. Evolution goes faster in the computer. The result is that the artificial beast finds its most efficient way to move its feet. Eventually, these beasts are going to live in herds on the beaches. Theo Jansen is working hard on this evolution. The mechanical beasts will not get their energy from food, but from the wind. The wind will move feathers on their back, which will drive their feet.
The beast walks sideways on the wet sand of the beach with its nose pointed into the wind. As soon as it walks into either the rolling surf or the dry sand, it stops and walks in the opposite direction. There have been many experiments. Evolution has generated many species. The knees of the Animaris vulgaris sagged a second after it was put on its feet. You could also say that the beast lived for just a second. Most species died out. For some, just parts are left over. A problem for beach animals is the dry sand. There's a chance that they'll get stuck in it. The Animaris speculata was a little beach animal which remained connected to its mother. It was used as a scout in the dry sand. When walking cost too much energy, the little animal would warn its mother, who was able to pull it out again. Another problem was the wind. When storms came up the beach, the animals used special tools to prevent them blowing away. The Animaris arena rolled out a trunk. At its end, a hammer tried to drive a pin into the ground, so that the beach animal was fixed. The Animaris sabulosa had a more secure way to prevent blowing away. It had a spoiler on the front, which would push down the nose. This is the Animaris currens ventosa. Whilst walking, the animals gather sand in the end of their tails. When they reverse their direction, they stretch their tails and throw the sand down. So in the beginning there are just little heaps of sand, but after a few months or even years, the whole beach landscape may well have changed. According to Theo Janssen, these beasts could maintain the Dutch coastline against the rising sea level in the coming century.